Hello everyone, in this section, we will introduce the I/O components in DToolsPro. I/O monitoring is about monitoring the controller's I/O points. Operators can see the I/O status in one place to quickly locate and address issues. It's key to ensuring the system runs smoothly and helps boost overall work efficiency. Variable types include single bit, byte, short, and int. When monitoring multiple variables, you can switch the display using indexed variables. And the table's graphics and styles are fully customizable. We integrate I/O components to simplify the I/O configuration. When you link variables, it can automatically split bits. The description information can be imported and exported for quick configuration. In this case project, single bit, byte, short, and int variables are demonstrated. Single bit and 32-bit variables rely on PLC communication. To run the project on an actual HMI project, you need to add communication settings to avoid system errors. Now we'll show you the I/O components. Select I/O and choose single bit as the monitoring variable type. Set the group element to 8, which lets a single group display 8 different bit addresses. You can enable language independent here. The descriptions can be directly input or input from the text library. Here you can add and delete a group. The variable list supports copy operations, enabling quick and efficient variable configuration. You can quickly configure it by exporting and importing. The exported content includes all groups, variables, and description information. You can edit the descriptions and import the file back into the project. Here are the description information and font settings for the table headings. You can set the label content and change the size and style of the components. There are 3 groups. Each group supports 8-bit addresses, so a total of 24-bit addresses are monitored. The table displays 8 at a time. The groups can be switched through the group switching variable. We chose a drop-down list for quick switching and positioning and added an 8-bit switch component to simulate bit address switching here. There are 3 8-bit array types that are linked. The system automatically separates each bit of the 8-bit data. To simulate the switch, a pointer variable is used here. It can be quickly configured by exporting and importing. The index variable is the same as that in the I/O element. The index values are the 3 variables monitored in the I/O element. Since the I/O element automatically performs word-based bit selection, to simulate the switch, we select the word-based bit 0 of the pointer variable and then perform batch copying in sequence. The type selection variable offset changes. When the index switches, the I/O element bit automatically switches. The switches correspond to the I/O points. When switching the index, the variables on the right change accordingly, displaying synchronized updates. The right side variable switching demonstration reflects the same synchronized behavior. The integration of I/O components in the configuration software significantly improves engineering configuration efficiency, especially for complex programs that require monitoring numerous I/O points. The convenience of I/O components makes the process noticeably more efficient and streamlined. Thanks for watching the video. Watch more videos to learn about Kinco DToolsPro, or contact us if any questions.